Musical note: welcome to Azee Kids Planet. Rainbow. Hello, little friends. Today we are going to meet the cutest baby girl Elsa. Namaste pyare bachcho. Aaj hum miln whale hain pyari baby girl Elsa se. Elsa had a magical smile that made everyone happy.
Elsa ki adui muskan sabeko kush kardetiti.
One sunny morning, Elsa found a tiny sparkling butterfly.
Ek dup bari subah Elsa ko ek chotisi chamakdar titti bile.
Come with me, said the butterfly with a magical sparkle.
Mere saat tsalo, titline jaduit samak keskiviikko saat kaha.
Elsa followed the butterfly into a beautiful rainbow garden. Elsa titli kupiche ek kubsarat rainbow garden main pahunch gai. The flowers were dancing, and the birds were singing sweet songs. Full nak rahi the or panchi pyare geek gaa rahida. Elsa laughed with joy and clapped her little hands.
Elsa kushise hansne laj aurapne khoteha don se tali beijane laj.
Then she found a shining golden star on the ground.
Firuzamin parek shamakta u asunera sitaramila.
The star whispered, "Kind hearts always shine the brightest."
Saitarenet hirese kaha, dayaludil hamesha sabse zyada chamakta hai.
Elsa shared her magical star with all her animal friends.
Elsa ne apna jadui sitara apne saare janvor doston keskiviikko saat bantlia.
Everyone smiled, laughed, and became best friends forever.
Sap muskurij, hase aur hamesha kelaya akehe dost bangeya.
What a wonderful magical adventure!
Kia yara urjadui sa Fatailandia.
If you love baby girl Elsa, give this video a big like. Agar apko baby girl Elsa Pazendayiho, to his video ko ekbata essay like Zero or Carrion. Subscribe to Azee Kids Planet for more.